how are you doing today? And I'm back with another of my product empties, and this time I've got some products which are beauty related, like skincare and beauty related products, so that you have a better idea when you're going to buy these products. Before I start, I just want to say that if you're first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you like this video. And with this, let's get started. So the first thing I want to show is a hair oil. I love this hair oil a lot, and I finished this and I have two others. So this is Navratna Tel, which is Navratna oil. Yeah, this is from the company Himani, and it costs 115 for 200 ml, and this is an amazing product. It works for so many different things, and I have finished it. Like you can see that little bit is left, but yeah, finished almost. So this is a must have for me, a very good find Ayurvedic hair oil. So if you are looking for an alternative, go ahead and buy this. You'll be not disappointed if you try this hair oil. It's going to make your hair really good. Then the next thing is this Yardley soap, which was 62 rupees for 100 grams. I think it's a bit on the higher end of pricing if you see, but the smell is to die for. It comes in this kind of packaging, 2 packets. Yeah, and you know what I do with this? I usually keep it in my almirah, and it makes the almirah also smell awesome. And when I'm using this soap, actually it is very creamy and soft, and it doesn't have that, you know, it doesn't feel like cream like Dove does. It just feels creamy, but it is not sticking to your skin. So a very beautiful find, and I love this. And the smell of the bathroom is amazing if you're bathing with this. If you're using a bar, I would suggest it's a good thing to try. So good product. Then the next thing is this Punarnava by VLCC Estrogen. I didn't buy this, my sister got it for me. I told her to buy one, so she bought it. Detoxifies and controls oil secretion. So we both like this, and the smell is so refreshing. If you have this around, and you can do the like a DIY version of having cotton pads stuffed with soaked in this, and use it on hot days when you are out or somewhere. So it is really relieving, and it's beautiful smelling product. I liked it. Still smells amazing. And this is, I think, Ayurvedic. Has agar and almonds and citrus, aloe. So this is an Ayurvedic estrogen. I know Ayur's estrogen is also Ayurvedic, but I am using personal estrogen which I have found. And if you're watching my channel for long, you will know that I've talked about in that other video when I had made about some other product. So yeah, that was actually natural, and this is also a very good estrogen if you want to try some estrogen. Very nice smelling, good estrogen, Ayurvedic. Then coming to the next product, I'll take this as a beauty care product, the Dettol, and this is like I always have it. This is pH balance hand wash, but I actually use it as face wash sometimes. Like if I'm at the basin and I don't have a face wash around, I'll definitely use it. Like this is Pink One skincare everyday protection. This is very good for my skin, my oily skin, and if I don't have a face wash, I sometimes go back to this. So I have included this empties in this empties in skincare, and this one was 170 for 900 ml. So good deal. But this time I got another one which I'm not liking much. I'll be talking about that in my other video, the other Dettol, which I did not like much, but this one is very good for skin. So I give it a good I will give it a thumbs up. So you can try it for your skin if you want to, like if you ever want to, because this is very mild and everything. The next thing I have here is this Pond's Flawless White Deep Whitening Facial Foam, and this one was 100 grams for 190. Sorry, I can't make out the black patches making it invisible. So it was for around 180 or 99, 199. So this is a bit expensive. It has got a different kind of tip to it. And there was one which was red color, that's also very expensive. This one is also a bit expensive. So it is okay, quite okay, a good face wash. It does leave your skin, as I have talked about in my separate video on which I have made about Pond's face washes specifically. I missed out this one because it was in empties. So I want to say that in that I was rating the face washes, so I'll give it a 4. And this one is got a VAO B3, vitamin E, allantoin and optic powder niacinamide B3 complex. So this one again has many vitamins like VAO B3 complex. So a good try. If you want to, you can try this. Good for oily skin. I recommend it because I like it. And then I have, yes, this Tresemme Split Remedy Split Rescue shampoo, and this is actually a very good shampoo, and I just fell in love with this product when I use it. This is a non-Ayurvedic product, so I can't read much because of the tag by Big Bazaar people. So I really adore this one, and actually I bought 2-3 Tresemme during that time when I was buying it, but now this is in my empties. I've finished it, and yeah, I'll go back and buy it again. I'll buy all these products again, which I'm going to show you because I really like all of them except the beauty products that I'll talk about in a minute. So this one is very beautiful. Applicator is a very unique kind, like you can actually take it out like this, or if you don't want, you can even open it and take out the product, and I usually prefer this way, taking out the product, and when the product is finishing off, I put water in it and then use it. So this is actually making my hair very soft, and was making, obviously it's finished, so I was very happy with it. So if I have to buy some non-Ayurvedic shampoo someday, I'll highly recommend this one. And I have another shampoo this thing review coming up, so keep your eyes open for that. That shampoo is also very good, which has just come up, and I have shown it in my Big Bazaar haul. If you want to check out the Big Bazaar haul, you can find about it. So a very good shampoo. If you want to try it, you may try it. It does have an applicator like this, but you can, you know, squeeze it out and take it out if you want to. I haven't seen Indian shampoos having this, but it can easily be opened up and you can take out the shampoo, no issues. And then the conditioner which came along with it, it came with the conditioner in the package. So the conditioner is extremely good. You know, even after I finished the shampoo, I went back and got a separate conditioner. This is amazing Split Remedy conditioner. It actually, you know, the hair are dead parts of your body, but if you keep them moisturized, no, so the hair will, the ends will, if they are properly moisturized, they'll keep sticking to each other. So the hair split end is actually reduced. Split ends are actually properly reduced when you get them trimmed off or something, or you heavily oil your hair and keep them moisturized. They are dead parts of your body. I hope you know it. So I would recommend this Split End Rescue conditioner also. I loved it. Very good conditioner. Like, I would buy it besides the other conditioners which I show on my channel. So this is also a good find, so you can go and try it out. Then I'll come to toothpaste. I was coming from Delhi to Chandigarh and I got this as a sample, and previously I had tried Sensodyne. I don't have sensitivity issues because of the Ayurvedic toothpaste that I am using right now. I have always been using that Ayurvedic toothpaste. I'll be talking about in another video, but this one is quite okay. I have this with me because mostly I'm traveling with my husband these days. We are roaming around a lot, so I have this around, and quite okay if you want to throw it in your travel bag or something. So quite okay. It was a free thing, so I didn't find anything bad about it, but this one has fluoride, so keep that in mind. Then coming to a beauty product, that's Lotus. This is my eyeliner. Even one of you complimented it, this eyeliner, when I was wearing it, and it's unfortunately finished. So this is Lotus Hypnotic Eye Contour Defining Waterproof Herbal Definer, Eye Definer. So enriched with botanical extracts and vitamins. So this is what attracts me to it, that Lotus is again an Ayurvedic company, so I liked it. And the best part was that it doesn't has to be sharpened. It comes out like the Lakme Iconic Eye. Finished it. So if you have another options like this, like green or blue eyeliner which you like, please mention in the comment section. I would love to try it out and tell you guys how I like that one, because now I need to buy a blue eyeliner, so please help me out with that. I love it. And then I have this Streetwear Smooth Wear Blush. Yeah, I have finished it off, and this was coming in a, see how much I have finished it off. Like, I am this kind of a person, like it actually broke off and then I took the last bit out of it. So I'm this kind of person, I use everything to its last bit. Even in the shampoos I put water and then take it out and then use it. So I'm going to preserve this brush also. I like it, like for brush, this brush for application. I'm always preserving the free brushes that come with things. So I really like this Streetwear Smooth Wear Blush. Streetwear Smooth Wear Blush, and this is Peach Paradise. I love this product, but right now I have that Maybelline. It is a little inexpensive. I do not know how much these two makeup items cost, because I had bought it long time back. I don't have the containers or anything, so I don't remember. But I like this Streetwear a lot, and the this thing Peach Paradise is the what do you call it, name of this blush. So I'm keeping this and not throwing it, so that I will remember when I want to buy again the other blush. When it's going to finish, then only I'm going to buy again. So I will recommend this blush. It's very cute and very nice blush. So with that, I have come to the end of my empties video, and all the products that I have shown you, I really love them and I'm going to buy them again. So I will repurchase every one of them, and I'm very happy with these products. So you may also go and try them out and tell me how you like them, and then we can have a chit chat. So with that, I wish that you have a very happy, healthy skin and hair, and do tell me all you think about these products in the comment section below. Until then, bye, take care, God bless.